Welcome back to the Crypto Moses channel. Look, you guys, if you're holding SHIB right now, you might be feeling the burn. At the moment of writing, SHIB is sitting at 0.0001481. Prices are roughly down about 3.46%. This is just like recently. But don't panic just yet. I want to break it all down. I want to break down what's happening and what you can do to kind of protect said investment. But before we dive in, do me a favor, click that like, click that subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell. It helps the algorithm. But on top of that, it helps you not miss out on any of the latest crypto trends or news or market stats we're studying. We are studying and producing for you here, you guys. Now look, over the past few days, SHIB has been struggling to gain momentum. And it's not just SHIB, it's kind of a market wide ever since we've had the Bybit steal. Now, the price has been steadily declining. And all of us are wondering, is this the beginning of the end? I'm going to tell you right off the bat, not to waste any time, no. It is not. Crypto markets go through this cycle all the time, and bad news like this happens all the time. When there's bad in the market, you buy. When you buy, the pressure starts to go back up. Utility starts to show up because projects have money, and then we have the possibility of 10 to 20xing. And right now, I do see that the current market sentiment is bad. Now, despite SHIB's past massive popularity, right now it is facing some strong sell pressures. Here's some reasons on why we think statistically it's doing it. First thing I see, and there's no way to directly fix this, but it is the oversaturation in the meme coin market, right? The meme coin space right now has become extremely crowded. We've got platforms like Pump.fund letting anybody and their mom make a token. And with new tokens launching daily, SHIB is really struggling to stay relevant. And there's a lot of investors that are just retail, that are just moving to fresher projects with bigger hype. Then our second issue is that right now we as a community do lack some real utility. Even though we do have ShibSwap, SHIB does still lack a lot of real world use cases compared to its powerhouse like Ethereum or Solana. Now, without strong adoption, meme coins can quickly fade. Trump is proving that, right? Then we've got this SHIB's $1 prospect. And we had a whole video on that, so watch that in detail. We break down the math. And the quick note of that is, if for SHIB to reach $1 value, we're going to need a $500 billion market cap. And the community would have to burn 99% of the SHIB supply. While this is an exciting and ambitious target for us and you and everyone, but analysts like Javin Marks have actually projected potential midterm rebound targets at 0.000153, which would actually take away a whole zero. Now, interestingly, some proponents continue to aim for the 0.0001 SHIB, which is a lot more feasible, and even the 1 cent SHIB. Now, despite this skepticism, last August, CoinW did hint that SHIB's $1 potential, sparking this debate over whether Shiba Inu or Dogecoin could reach that milestone first. Now, however, Dogecoin does trade at 27 cents, making it extremely close to hit $1 compared to SHIB. With SHIB's circulating supply, we're currently sitting at 589 trillion tokens. A $1 price would mean a $1 trillion market cap, which is an extremely unrealistic figure given the world's total wealth value. So to even dream of $1, SHIB would need an extensive burn process, surpassing what Ethereum's Valtech burn did in May 2021. And at a $500 billion market cap, SHIB could reach $1 only if its supply reaches to 500 billion tokens. This would require burning 588.5 trillion tokens, which is about 99.91% of the supply. And that's technically a near impossible opportunity. This makes the chance of SHIB hitting $1 extremely low. Look, if you want the full detailed, watch the video. I really nerdily break it down. Now, the trend right now is currently bearish, right? And if we keep dropping below this mark, we could see further dips towards the 0.000012 or even the 0.000010. And without another major catalyst like a partnership or a new tech upgrade or any real term utility, SHIB might continue to decline or just stay stagnant. And then long-term holders should really carefully reconsider their strategy. Unless they're just long-term believers like me, then leave it in there. It should not impact you. If you're still day trading, and I've got the link below for BTCC, you can 50 exit on that exchange. It makes it so easy. If you're holding it for purely meme hype, then you need to ask yourself, is it still worth it for you? Are you prepared for a little bit more losses? Or is it time to rethink your position? Or do you want to continue to DCA in, right? Another thing you could do is you could consider taking profits or just cutting some of your losses. Now, I'm not doing that with SHIB. I'm a huge long-term believer, but it's up to you. I'm never going to tell you to hold something you don't want to. And then lastly, you should diversify some of your portfolio just a bit. Instead of going all in on SHIB, explore some other projects with stronger fundamentals and hopefully longer term potential. And if you're not into any of that, then just day trade it. You can scalp it, you can swing trade it, right? Now for the short term, I do expect to see further consolidation and price dips. Do believe technical analysis wise, fundamental wise, this bearish sentiment is going to continue. So we could see SHIB testing lower support levels. Now for the long term, without real world adoption or any game changing update, it might still be a low risk, but also a low reward investment. If any of these catalysts change, which is super doable, this would be a very, very, very good long-term investment. Right now, we are at a critical turning point. While some still hope for a turnaround, the reality is clear right now. Meme coins need real utility to continue surviving, right? So stay smart with your holdings and never invest purely on hype unless you're just getting in and get out. I also want to know what you think. Will SHIB actually make a comeback? Or is this the beginning of the end? Drop your comment below. I'm still going to be a long-term investor and I'm still going to day trade it every damn day. So don't stress and don't confuse yourself on DeFi and crypto transactions. Be smart about it. Be patient. And if you do trade meme tokens, I'll also leave the link below for BC management. We will literally do your reports for your meme coins, so it makes it so easy for your accountant to file. And you have a breakdown, which is an audit log. So if you ever have an issue, we've got that for you. Lastly, don't forget to click that like and subscribe button. You never miss out on an update. Again, don't forget, let me know in the comments, what are you most excited about SHIB-wise? Do we still see that this potential is going to 1020x, and how soon, right? And until next time, everybody, stay informed, stay prepared, and stay ahead. Peace out, everyone.